EtherCast is a unique smart video messaging service for teams that use Slack. Quickly cast your stand-up, design review, presentation, lecture, or any response to team members via one-way video right from the channel. Enjoy full audio, video, and content sharing, as well as the ability to tag parts of the message for certain teammates. EtherCast will automatically transcribe and summarize the important moments of the message for those in the channel to watch or reply. To start your EtherCast, all you have to do is type /cast in the channel. From there, you can give your brief message or review, complete with full screen sharing. You can pause and then continue the video message or briefing when you're ready. As mentioned, you can tag parts of the message for certain team members to focus in on or reply to in the channel. EtherCast will also transcribe your message. Once your message or briefing is over, you can decide to save it as a draft to mark additional parts before publishing, or go ahead and publish. Once you have completed your EtherCast, the service will summarize the important moments of the message or presentation and route that summary with watch links back into the Slack channel along with the markers you set. All other team members in the channel can quickly zoom into the parts of the message or briefing that matter most and reply accordingly. EtherCast is one of the core features the EtherLab suite of AI-based video collaboration tools integrated deeply into Slack offers. Sign up now and use the service for up to 10 hours per month free. We trust you and your team will take a large leap in productivity with smart one-way video messaging on Slack.